Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create the 3D pop-out effect in Photoshop. So let's get into it. So I have Photoshop opened up. Now I have the main image of the TV where the 3D pop-out effect will take place. I also have a picture of a tiger which will come out of the TV. So now we'll drag this tiger image into the TV image. Now set this according to where you want your tiger. You can also lower the opacity to see where the tiger goes. We'll set the opacity back to 100 and select the pen tool. On the tiger layer, select the blank spaces on the TV because we have to fill them in. Make a selection and hit OK. Go to the lasso tool and right click and fill. The contents will be content aware and hit OK. Photoshop will automatically fill this in. Now do the same for the bottom part. Make a selection, go to the lasso tool and go to fill, then go to content aware and hit OK. Now our picture is filled in. What we'll have to do is hide this layer and select the TV screen. Press on selection and hit OK. Now go to the top layer and unhide the top layer and add a layer mask. Duplicate this layer and remove the layer mask. Now go to select and subject on the top layer. Photoshop will automatically detect your subject. If there are any mistakes, go to the quick selection tool and remove any parts which you don't want to select with Alt and hold it. And if you want to add any part, just drag over it. That's good enough for me. So I'll add a layer mask. Now we can see some problems in the TV here with the content aware. If you are facing this problem, what you'll have to do is go to the spot healing brush tool and just fix this up. There you go. Now our 3D pop-out effect is mostly done. What we have left is adding a shadow. So to add a shadow, we'll go to the top layer and press Ctrl J. We're going to press Ctrl T and right click on the layer. Click on flip vertical. This will flip the whole image vertical. Make this the second layer. Now you can distort this with Ctrl T. Then go to distort and distort this like a shadow. Right click the layer and go to blending options. Now add a color overlay and hit OK. Reduce the opacity to that of a shadow and go to the layer mask and refine this shadow. 40 works good for me. What you'll have to do now is to add some particles to make it more cinematic. So I have a particle overlay here. I'm just going to drag this into our 3D pop-out effect image and set this as the top layer. Now scale this up so it covers the whole image, and you can adjust it a little to center it on the TV and use the blending mode screen. Set the opacity to something lower so it looks good. Now if your colors don't match the image, then just go to adjustment layers, then add a hue saturation layer and mask this onto the layer with Alt. Now you can just adjust this to make it the color of your image. You can also add a layer mask and with foreground color black, just mask out the places you don't want the particles to be in. That looks alright. Now I'll press Shift, Ctrl, Alt and E. This will merge all of the layers into one layer. Now I'll go to Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Now I'll just adjust this according to my picture. Now our 3D pop-out effect is done. And that's it. You just brought your image to life. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in another video.